Very good morning, students. Welcome to our English class. It is English grammar. Okay. Today we are going to learn about English grammar. Last class, what and all we have learned in your textbook. This is your textbook. You all know, right? I hope you all have taken your textbooks. I think no one is pending in the textbook. You all have your textbooks, right? Take your textbook, and in textbook, how you have to write? You should use your pencil in the textbook. Understood? No gel pen. Okay. Only your pencil you are using to write in the textbook part. Take your pencil, take out your pencil, eraser and sit. Okay. As soon as I write on the board, when I am explaining only, you also just copy it. Okay. Don't just sit idle. Write with me itself. When I am writing, you also copy down there only. Okay. Now, in this grammar, we are going to learn about nouns. It is Unit 3, third chapter. It is nouns, page number 16. You can open page number 16. In articles, we have learnt, right? This one you got as a homework, the passage. We have read the passage, and for the questions you have to answer. You all got like a homework. I hope you all have completed, and the answers also had repeated, right? I had told the answers also. I didn't wrote on the board, but I told it orally. I hope you all have completed your textbooks in time. It should be completed in time. Okay, no incomplete textbooks. It should be completed. Okay, now nouns. Take out your page number 16. Page number 16. Okay, page number 16. It is Unit 3, nouns. Nouns means what? The nouns are the naming words, right? Nouns are the naming words, the names of animal, place, thing, person. These all comes, the names. Names of all this comes under nouns, the naming words. See, nouns are of 5 types. Again, the nouns are of 5 types. Which are those? Proper nouns, common noun, collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. These are the again 5 kinds of nouns here. Nouns means it is the naming words we all know. Again, it is differentiated into 5 groups. It is divided into 5 groups. It is proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun and material noun. Okay. We'll be learning each one by one we'll be learning. Now, look at the pictures. I have given some pictures there. We have to write the names down. See, which are the pictures there? People's Swimming Club. See the pictures I am reading here. Okay, the pictures. See here, which are first one, People's Swimming Club, Krishna Jewelers, Archie's Gift Shop, Queen's Beauty Parlor, Hollywood Shoes, Fitness World, Ezel World Amusement Park, Pizza Hut Bakery, Princess Boutique. Okay, these are the pictures they have given here. We have to write the picture names here. Okay, in this we have to fill. See, where should these people go? Where should these people go? See, the first one, Samir wants to buy sports shoes. Samir wants to buy the shoes itself. Sports shoes, where he should go, in which shop he should go. They have given some places names, right? For which place he has to go for buying shoes. Which one? It is Hollywood Shoes, right? This name we have to write in the blanks given in this. Okay, they have given here. See, I have written. You can see here. See, Samir wants to buy sports shoes. Where he'll go? He'll go to Hollywood Shoes. Okay, I'll write the answers. You can copy down. Okay. First main, it is first one. Write neatly. Hollywood Shoes. Okay. Next one. Anne wants to buy clothes for a party. She wants to buy a clothes itself. So where she'll go? She'll go Princess Boutique. Princess Boutique. Next, Bindu wants to buy a gift. Gift, where she'll go, it is Archie's gift shop. Archie's gift shop. Fourth one, the children want to have a picnic. Where they'll go for a picnic? It is amusement park. It is Hazelwood Amusement Park. Hazelwood Amusement Park. Ria wants to get a facial done. Where she'll go? She'll go to Queen's Beauty Parlor. Karan wants to have a swim. He'll go to People's Swimming Club. People's Swimming Club. Sharan and Varun are hungry. Where they'll go? They'll go to Pizza Hut Bakery. Pizza Hut Bakery. Mother wants to buy a necklace. She'll go to Krishna Jewelers. Krishna Jewelers. Father wants to stay fit. Where he'll go? He'll go to Fitness World. Okay, these are the names of the places. The first one, Hollywood Shoes, Princess Boutique, Archie's Gift Shop, Hazelwood Amusement Park, Queen's Beauty Parlor, People's Swimming Club, Pizza Hut Bakery, Krishna Jewelers, Fitness World. These are the names of the places. A proper noun is the proper name given to the following. See here, next, they are given about proper noun. It is a proper name. It is a particular name given to the following. For a country, for a city, for a person, for an animal, for a thing, whatever it is, a proper name, a particular name given for that. See, which all comes under a person, pet, country, city, street, river, sea, island, month, day, book, monument, building, mountain, hill, language, movie, brand of things. These all names comes under proper noun. The particular noun, country. Country in the sense which country? Country, it is a common, but India. India means it is a proper noun. Okay, it is a particular name given for the country. City, Bangalore. River, Ganga. Street, your street name, it will be there, no? That one. Pet, the dog's or cat's name, you'll keep one name. That name. Person name. Okay, this all comes under this proper noun. See here, there is one assignment you have to complete. Talk to your friend and complete the following with proper nouns. So this second main, it will be the homework. Nothing more difficult than this. See, you have to write your best friend's name. See what they have given. My best friend is. Who is your best friend? You have to write their name. Okay, name of your friend. She or he lives at which street? Their street. Okay, their street name. That is which road. In which road they live. That name. Okay, that street name, there will be there, no, that name. And in which city or town? The city name. Bangalore means Bangalore. Or else when any other city means that name. She or he goes to school. Which school? The name of the school here. Her father name or his father name. His or her mother's name. What language they speak, their mother tongue, you have to write here. His or her birthday comes in the month. Which month? He likes dash the festival, name of the festival. He wants to have a holiday. Name of the place. They have given here. Here, first one, name of your friend. Second one, the name of the street where they live. Third one, the name of the city. Fourth one, the school name, their father name, mother name, their mother tongue, the month, which month, birthday month, and which festival they like, and the place which they like. Okay, that thing you have to write. Understood? Now, pick out all the proper nouns in the passage below. We have to pick out all the proper nouns here. See, I'll write here. Okay. All the proper nouns begin with capital letters. So they have given easy hints to us also. They have given the proper nouns in capital letters. First we'll read the passage. Okay. In December, Preetham went on vacation to Hyderabad with his parents. They traveled by Jet Airways and landed on the Shamshabad airport. They took a taxi and checked into Hotel Green Park at Begumpet. They went on sightseeing tour arranged by Telangana Tourism. They saw the Charminar, the Golconda Fort, the Salarjung Museum and the Falaknuma Palace. They also visited the Birla Temple and Birla Planetarium and the public gardens. On the third day, they went to Ramoji Film City and had a very nice time. They saw the shooting of the film Teen March there. After 3 happy days of holidays, they returned to Delhi. Okay, this was a passage given. And now we have to take out the proper nouns in this. There they have given the place also to write here. In this dash, what they have given the boxes, you have to write there. Okay. So now I'll just write, you can also write here. See, I've written December, Preetham, Hyderabad, like that I have written. You can also just continue writing. Okay. First one it is December, comma, Preetham, comma, Hyderabad, comma, Jet Airways, comma, Shamshabad, comma, Shamshabad Airport, okay, Shamshabad Airport, comma, Hotel Green Park, comma, Delhi, comma, Begumpet, comma, Telangana, comma, tourism, comma, Charminar, comma, public gardens, comma, Golconda Fort. These last letters, if you are not able to see, it is already given in the textbook. Okay, you can see there and you can write. I'm telling the names also. No, you can see there and write. Salarjung Museum, Falaknuma Palace, Birla Temple, Birla Planetarium, Ramoji Film City, Teenmar. Ramoji Film City, Teenmar. Okay, these are the proper nouns which comes in this passage. See, again I'll repeat. December, Preetham, Hyderabad, Jet Airways, Shamshabad Airport, Hotel Green Park, Delhi, Begumpet, Telangana, Tourism, Charminar, Public Gardens, Golconda Fort, Salarjung Museum, Falaknuma Palace, Birla Temple, Birla Planetarium, Ramoji Film City, and Teenmar. These are the proper nouns which comes under this passage. Okay. Now, a common noun. What is a common noun? Common noun is a common name given to the person, animal, or thing. The common name. Now I told country, city, that are the common names. See, India is the name of a country. Country only one country we can see in this world. No, there are so many countries. Yes, no. Country is a common name. City, state, festival, month, day. These are the common names given. Okay. We'll write the common names here now. I'll rub this first one. Okay. Fourth main it is. First one. India is the name of a country. 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 Delhi is the name of a state. 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 Diwali is the name of a festival. January is the name of a month. Yes, no, it is the name of a month. January. Monday is the name of a week. Elizabeth is the name of a queen. Ashok is the name of a emperor. White House is the name of a building. Indian Ocean is the name of an ocean. Here this comes day, okay? Monday, it is the name of a day, right? Monday, Tuesday. Yes, no, it is the name of that day, okay? Once again, I'll repeat, you can check with the answers. See, first one, it is country. India is the name of a country. Delhi is the name of a state. Diwali, it is a festival. January, it is a month. Monday is a day. Elizabeth, she is a queen. Ashoka is a emperor. White House, this is a building name. Indian Ocean, it is an ocean. These are the common names. Okay. Read the passage. Pick out the common nouns in the passage. Again, here they have given one passage. In this, the common nouns we have to pick out. See, there is a park near our house. There are many plants in the park. The gardener looks after them. It is 5 o'clock in the evening. There are many children in the park. The boys are playing with a ball. 2 children are on the swing. The women are sitting on the bench. A man is eating banana. He does not see the monkey on the tree. The monkey comes down and takes away the banana from his hand. The man is angry. He throws a stone at the monkey. The monkey is angry now. It opens its mouth and shows all its teeth to the man. The man is afraid. He runs away. Okay. This is the passage they have given. We have to write the answers. What we are going to write? We will pick out the common nouns in this passage and we will write in the box given here. Okay, fifth main it is first one. It is park, house, comma, plants, comma, gardener, comma, children, comma, boys, comma, ball, comma, women, comma, man, comma, monkey, comma, tree, comma, stone, comma, teeth. Okay. Okay, these are the common nouns here. It is park, house, plants, gardener, children, boys, ball, women, man, monkey, tree, stone, and teeth. Okay, these are the common nouns present in this passage. Now, next page, collective noun. They have given about collective noun. Collective noun is a word that stands for a collection of people, animals or things. A collection, group of animals, group of person, group of things. For that we name one thing. It is a collective noun. Okay. A group of people. It is crowd. Okay. Like that. The name, particular name mentioned for the group of people, group of animal, group of things. That name is called as collective noun. See, first one, write the collective nouns for these animals. They have given the options also, the answers options they have given here. We have to pick the correct option for the answer. Okay. I'll rub this. If you have not written, you all know, no, pause the video, copy down fast and start writing. So now it is sixth main. Okay. First one. An army of frogs. An army of frogs. 1, 2, 3, 4. The numbers they have given according to the numbers only. I am writing. Don't get confused. 1, 2, 3, 4. They have given 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They have given. According to that numbers, I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4. One by one, I am writing. Okay. A caravan of camels. A caravan of camels. A troop of monkeys. Fish, a school of fish. A group of fish is called as school. A pack of dogs. Okay, group of dogs we call as pack. A pride of lions. Group of lions we call as pride. Litter of pups. A herd of elephant. A swarm of bees. 10th one, a streak of tigers. 11th one, a flock of sheep. 12th one, a flight of birds. A brood of hens. These are the group's names. Okay. The group of frogs we call as army. The group of frogs. Group of monkey. A group of camels we call as caravan. Group of monkeys, a troop. Okay. A group of fish, it is school. A group of dogs, pack. Group of lions, pride. Group of pups, so many pups. A group of so many pups, it is litter. A group of elephants, it is herd. A group of bees, it is swarm. A group of tigers, it is streak. A group of sheep, it is called as poke. A poke of sheep. A group of birds, it is flight. A group of hens, it is brood. Okay, these are the names for group of animals or things or person. Okay, now next is match the collective nouns with the common nouns. Next we have to match the collective nouns with the common nouns. I'll write the answer. You can just put the number for that. Okay, first one, crowd. For crowd we call the people, crowd of people. Okay, first one answer, it is people. See where is people and put there one. Understood? Second one, class of students. Third one, army of soldiers. Fourth one, a troop of musicians. Fifth one, a team of players. Sixth one, a gang of thieves. Seventh one, a child of singers. Eighth one, a crew of sailors. Ninth one, a band of dancers. Here I am writing the answers. You all no need to write the answers. Answers it is given here, right? This is the question part. This is the answer part. Next to the answers 1, 2, 3, 4 you mention. Okay. First one answer it is people. See where is the people in the answer? You mention there one. You all know to match, right? These are the answers. According to that you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. And next is tick the right word. We have to tick the right word here, which is the right word, right collective noun. Okay, here also I'll write the answer. You can tick the correct answer, the box given to the next of the answer. You can tick there. A galaxy of stars. Okay, first one it is stars. Second one, a library of books. Third one, a bunch of bananas. Fourth one, a range of mountains. Just the answers I'm writing. The box given to this answers, next to this answers, the box is given. Just you put a tick mark there, okay? No need to write full answer. A fleet of airplanes. A string of pearls. A bouquet of flowers. A flight of stairs. A group of mountains. Sorry, a group of islands it is. A group of islands. Okay. And next 10th one, a forest of trees. These are the answers. See, once again, I'll repeat. A galaxy of stars, a library of books, a bunch of bananas, a range of mountains, a fleet of airplanes, a string of pearls, a bouquet of flowers, a flight of stairs, a group of islands, a forest of trees. Okay. This is what about collective noun. I hope you all have understood. And here one assignment, again assignment, that is a homework. I think till now you have understood the collective nouns. Okay. See now the passage they have given. You have to just underline the collective nouns. Okay. Read the passage below. Underline all the collective nouns here. Ninth main. It is the homework. The second main and ninth main. Yes, no? I think you all have completed the second main also. Now only you have completed. Yes, no? Ninth main also. Here only I'll be just telling you. Just mark it. It will be completed. Read the passage below. Underline all the collective nouns. It was Teacher's Day. Our class presented a bouquet to our class teacher. All the students of the class presented a cultural show in the auditorium. The principal and staff were seated there. A group of singers sang beautiful songs. A troupe of dancers performed a ballet. The audience enjoyed the show. Here, which are the collective nouns you can find? It was Teacher's Day. Our class presented a bouquet to our class teacher. Bouquet, it is a collective noun, bouquet. All the students of the school. Yes, no, school, it is a collective noun. Presented a cultural show in the auditorium. The principal and staff were seated there. A group of singers, a collective noun, it is a group of singers, sang beautiful songs. A troupe of dancers, it is again collective noun, performed a ballet. Group of dancers, group of singers, and the audience enjoyed the show. Audience, a group of people, they are in the auditorium. It is also collective noun, audience. Okay. This is what the homework. I've told the answers also. You can finish now and there itself. And I'll stop this class here. And next class we'll be learning about material noun and abstract noun. Okay. Till two topics is there. It is material noun and abstract noun. We'll be learning in the next class. Now we have learnt about collective noun, proper noun and common noun. This is enough. Okay. Once you go through and complete this homework and your cursive writing book, you all are having your cursive writing book, right? Just finish till 1 to 5 pages. 5 pages cursive writing you can write and finish. Understood? And thank you, students.